Does your car make a whining or belt-like noise at 100 km/h but disappears at low speed? Don't ignore this. It could lead to major damage. If your car sounds normal at low speed, but starts making a belt-like or whining noise at 100 km/h, this is a clear sign that a rotating engine component is struggling under high RPM. This problem usually doesn't show up in city driving, which is why many drivers ignore it until it gets worse. Possible causes. First cause, worn or loose drive belt, serpentine belt. When the belt is old or hardened, it can slip at high engine speed, creating a squealing or whining sound, especially on highways. Second cause, weak belt tensioner or idler pulley. Even with a new belt, a weak tensioner can't hold proper tension at high RPM. This is one of the most common reasons noise appears only at high speed. Third cause, failing bearings. Alternator, AC compressor, power steering. At higher RPM, worn or dry bearings become louder. The sound may seem like a belt issue, but the real problem is inside a rotating component. Why there's no noise at low speed? At low speed, engine RPM is low. Load is minimal. No vibration or belt slip. But at 100 km/h, RPM increases. Engine load increases. Weak parts start making noise. That's why the sound only appears at high speed. What happens if you ignore it? If left unchecked, the belt may snap. Battery charging can fail. Power steering or AC may stop. Your car could break down on the highway. What starts as a small noise can turn into a big repair bill. So if your car makes a belt-like noise only at 100 km/h, have the belt, tensioner, pulleys, and bearings inspected immediately. Like, comment, and share to help other drivers avoid costly breakdowns.